everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're just going to continue on with our Sqlite. So alright, last time we learned how to insert data into our database. So now, Sqlite select. So now we need to learn how a database or SQL handles a search. So its keyword, the SQL language for a search, is select. So we don't need this and we don't need this. And let me make sure we can see this. So there we go. Let's put that back. So alright, we're going to make a cursor because it is a execute object, and it is select. We're going to star means everything. So we're gonna start with our star. Everything. Select star from students. Close that out. Now, this is the weird part. Cursor dot fetch 1, and we're gonna print this. Oops. And we're gonna go over what in the world this is. So help. Let's see here. Let's comment this out. Let's run this, and I want to show you what the documentation. So there we go. So help on cur dot fetch 1. All right, fetches one row from the result set. Not exactly 100%. This documentation is better. Fetches the next row. So this is going to be important because there are two other fetches. So we're going to do fetch 1 because right now we've only written one to it. But this is what we do. We build, we build, we build. So we got to make sure we're subscribing, keeping up with this, and learning as we go. So all right, let's go back. So now we're going to print our fetch 1. So there we go. So we wrote it, we inserted it, and then we fetched it. We did a select statement, and then we fetched it. So this is a little bit of foreshadowing about fetch 1 fetches the next row. It's got some reason for the madness, but there are two other fetches, and we will go through them, and they have reasons, and this will all make sense in the next one. So there we go, guys. That is SQL of how to read the information in a database with a select statement, and there's a lot more to it. You can get pretty fancy with these things, and then we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna have tables connecting, and we're just gonna go all out. So as always, guys, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.